Hello everyone, this is Cordless and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. This is Bosch GSR 120Li Professional Cordless Drill and Driver. I believe many of you have seen the video on unboxing and explain features and functions. But today, I'm going to show you something different. Yeah, I'm going to unscrew and reveal to you every single piece and bit of this cordless drill. Let's hit it. First, I'm going to remove the battery. There's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. To unscrew, I'm going to use Torx size 10 or T10 screwdriver. Hi, one of the screws snapped and the other one stuck. This is what I call unboxing. Whoa, look at this. This is sliding switch for forward and reverse control. When center position, it will automatically lock the power tool. This is a trigger for variable speed control, for easy and precise control over the RPM. Let me show you the mechanism of the sliding switch. Forward control, center position, reverse control. Basically, Bosch GSR 120Li works on 2-speed planetary gearbox. Watch closely. Gear 1, Gear 2, Gear 1 and Gear 2. Next, let me open the gearbox. Whoa. Can you see the small little gears? Okay, let's see what happened when I switch to gear 1. Low speed, high torque. Gear 2. High speed, low torque. Let's go a little bit deeper. The clutch setting is the most important feature in screwdriving. You will see a list of numbers from 1 to 10 to 20. These are used to set the clutch to deliver a torque range. The higher the number, the higher the torque, and the larger the fastener that can be driven. Now, to fix it back, this really requires some patience. Finally, this is the motor. Now let us try to attach a battery. slowly. Super powerful. Ooh. Right, this is just a piece of heatsink. And the purpose of the heatsink is for heat dissipation. Many of you would have asked, where are these Bosch power tools made in? Here's the answer. Made in Malaysia. Should be designed, licensed or patented by Robert Bosch in Germany. Well, it's kind of fun to be able to dismantle the cordless drill into pieces. Please do remember that warranty will be void once you have tampered with the machine. Next, I'm gonna join all the pieces and bits together into one piece, like Humpty and Dumpty. It works. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my upcoming home improvement shows. Bye bye for now.